the movie. My name is Jenny Paso. Movie's name is Hachiko. The story is about a music teacher who loves dogs. He lived with his wife and they had a daughter. The professor traveled to college by train every day and returned home at 5 p.m. One day, he saw a dog in the street and didn't know what to do because the dog was lost. He looked at the dog's collar and read his name, Hachiko. He took it home but didn't tell his wife because she didn't want any more dogs at home. Little by little, the professor and the dog became very close friends, and finally the dog stayed at home with all the family. Every day, the professor and Hashi walked to the railway station, and then Hashi returned home by himself. What did I learn about the movie? I learned an animal could be a great company, be part of your family. It can teach you how to be loyal, lovely, and patient. How did the film make me feel? That movie was a roller coaster of emotions. At first, everything is joy, but an unexpected event can change everything. It turns sad when Hashiko's owner passed away, and Hashiko didn't lose his faith to see him again. How does the movie relate to the academic program you are studying? The film represents love, trust, and loyalty. In relation to psychology, it is important all those manifestations about affections in our life. It allows emotional and cognitive development, which allows union, positive relationships, and make us feel important.